the water. Let's bring you back closer to home now. New this morning, the future of a proposed billion-dollar headquarters in Scottsdale will be in the hands of a judge.
So you probably remember Governor Katie Hobbs signed a bill clearing the way for Axon, and now a citizen group is suing, calling the piece of legislation unconstitutional. Let's check in with David, who's live at the court system this morning with more. David, good morning.
Colton, Simone, good morning to you. This is the latest in this back and forth saga between the citizen group and Axon that's literally been going on for years now. This is the latest chapter, the courtroom here, and it could be the last chapter in this battle. Essentially, this citizen group claims that the bill only serves a special interest and not the people of Arizona. So this group that we've told you about is called TAZE, and it stands for Taxpayers Against Awful Apartment Zoning Exemptions. They collected 27,000 signatures to challenge a Scottsdale City Council decision to allow taser manufacturer Axon to build a $1.3 billion headquarters in Scottsdale. The big sticking point between the groups was Axon's desire to place a number of homes and apartments with their complex. Advocates say they needed the housing for workers. Critics say it would take up too much resources. The issue was heading toward a ballot measure where the people of Scottsdale would choose. But a bill was signed by Governor Katie Hobbs, scrapping the planned election and pushing the development forward, a move that TAZE says was unconstitutional. A lawyer who is not affiliated with the case tells Arizona's Family how difficult it is to prove if a bill is in fact unconstitutional.
Well, it always depends on the issues. So what the judge is going to be looking at in this case is whether or not the law that was passed benefits really just one specific company, and that would be Axon. And if the answer is yes, then it'll be unconstitutional, because Arizona's Constitution specifically states that any new law or amendment has to benefit everybody generally. It can't be, you can't just pass laws that benefit just one company.
We reached out to Axon. A spokesperson says they're not commenting on the pending litigation. The first hearing in this case is tomorrow morning right here at the Superior Court. We'll keep you updated with coverage on this. And coming up in the next hour, what the state needs to prove that the legislation holds water constitutionally, guys. We'll have that answer in just about an hour. For now, we'll send it back to you.
All right.